In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Chrome Update with AI features in Windows 11 in a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy tutorial, and it's especially useful if you want the newest Chrome features, including AI-related tools that may appear after updating. So if you've been wondering why you don't see the latest options in Chrome yet, this guide will help you get up to date fast. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows and browser tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure you're using the browser you want to update because new AI features are usually delivered through Chrome updates, not through a separate download. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps important settings and tools. From the menu, go down to Help, then click About Google Chrome. This is the section where Chrome checks whether you're running the latest version. As soon as you open this page, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates in the background. You don't need to search for anything manually. Just wait a moment while Chrome connects and looks for the newest available version. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it automatically. In many cases, you'll see the browser update itself without needing to do much else. Once the download is finished, Chrome will ask you to relaunch the browser to complete the update. When that happens, simply click Relaunch. Chrome will restart, and when it opens again, you'll be on the latest version. This is the most important part, because the newest Chrome version is what makes newer AI features available when Google rolls them out to your browser. After the relaunch, open a new tab. In the search bar, you can check for the AI mode option or any new AI-related search features that are now available in your updated Chrome version. Depending on your account, region, and rollout settings, the feature may appear right away or may take a little time to show up. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes Chrome features are enabled gradually, and being on the latest version is the key step. You can also try refreshing Chrome, opening another new tab, or signing into your Google account if you aren't already signed in. The main goal is to make sure Chrome is fully updated first, because that's what unlocks the latest improvements and AI features over time. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, select About Google Chrome, let it check for updates, click Relaunch if prompted, and then open a new tab to look for AI mode in the search bar. That's it. You've now updated Chrome and put yourself in the best position to use the newest AI features in Windows 11. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.